So I'm going to click Edit here for review of canned unicorn meat. We'll start here, and I'll scroll down, and I'm going to jump over to our CSV file to reference what the ratings are. So I'm going to resize these columns really quick so I can view this information a little bit more easily. Change the vertical size as well as the horizontal size of the review content. And here, for canned unicorn meat, giftability is 9, funness is 7, weirdness is 10. So we got 7, 9, and 10. And then the product reference is over to the canned unicorn meat product. And then I'll scroll down and click Save. Okay, so we have our ratings here, and then we have our reference displaying as a field over in the side. Now you might notice that it has a red background. That's because this piece of content hasn't been published yet. So as soon as we get done adding all of our ratings and our references, we'll go through and publish all of those pieces of content all at once using the content page. So now let's go to our other two reviews and connect them up with their product and add the rating. So I'm going to click on content, and then I'll click edit next to review of useless box kit. I'll scroll down. We'll add the product reference to the useless box kit product. And then let's go to our CSV file to check out what the ratings were. So useless box had giftability of 5, funness of 7, weirdness of 10. It is a weird one. The way this works is that when you switch a switch on the box, a finger pops out of it and turns it off. And so the only purpose of the switch is to trigger the finger to turn it back off. Pretty cool. So funness is 7, giftability is 5, weirdness is 10. And we'll save it. And then finally, the remote control helicopter with water cannon. And I'll click edit next to that and scroll down. We'll make sure it references the helicopter product. And then let's check out the ratings for that one. It was giftability 10, funness 8, weirdness 3. So we got 8 for funness, giftability 10, weirdness 3. And I'll scroll down and click save.